Hey traders! Welcome back to LutaMarkets, where we simplify trading tools and strategies to help you make better decisions in the markets. Today, I want to introduce you to a must-have tool for every serious trader, the position size calculator from CashbackForex. Risk management is the foundation of successful trading, and this tool is a game changer for calculating your position sizes accurately. So, stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to use it like a pro. Let's jump in. First off, let's quickly talk about why position sizing is so important. If you're trading without a proper position size, you're essentially gambling. Too much risk? You could blow up your account. Too little risk? You might not make any meaningful gains. That's where the position size calculator comes in. It eliminates guesswork and helps you trade with precision, making sure you don't risk more than you can afford on any single trade. Trust me, this is one of those tools you can't afford not to use if you're serious about trading. Now, let's go step by step through the tool and how to use it. You'll find the link to the tool in the description below, so you can follow along while I explain. When you open the position size calculator on CashbackForex, here's what you'll see. Account currency. First, select your account currency. For example, if your account is in USD, pick that from the drop-down. This is important because it ensures the calculations are accurate for your specific account. Account balance. Enter your total account balance. Let's say you have $10,000 in your trading account. You'd input that amount here. Risk percentage. Decide how much of your account you're willing to risk on a single trade. A good rule of thumb for most traders is between 1 to 2%. For this example, let's say you're risking 2%. Stop loss. In pips, add your stop loss distance in pips. For example, if your stop loss is set at 20 pips, enter 20. This step is critical because it directly impacts your position size calculation. Currency pair. Choose the pair you're trading. For instance, pound sterling to US dollar or euro to US dollar. Once you fill in all these fields, click the calculate button. The tool will then show you the exact lot size you should trade to stay within your risk parameters. For example, if you're risking 2% of a $10,000 account, with a 20 pip stop loss on pound sterling to US dollar, the calculator might tell you to trade 1 lots. This means that if the market hits your stop loss, you'll only lose $200, which is 2% of your account. It's simple, effective, and takes away the headache of doing these calculations manually. Now that you know how the tool works, let's talk about how you can incorporate it into your trading routine. Every time you plan a trade, position size calculation should be one of your first steps. It helps you stay consistent and disciplined with your risk management, something that separates winning traders from those who struggle. Here's a quick example. Say you've analyzed the charts, and you found a perfect setup. Before entering the trade, go to the position size calculator and input your stop loss distance and risk percentage. Once you know the correct lot size, you can confidently place your trade, knowing your risk is controlled. This routine will save you from over-leveraging, which is one of the biggest mistakes traders make. Before we wrap up, let me highlight some common mistakes traders make when it comes to position sizing. Ignoring stop losses. Some traders don't use a stop loss at all, which is risky. The calculator relies on your stop loss to determine how much to trade, so make sure to always set one. Risking too much. Beginners often risk 5 to 10% of their account on a single trade. That's a fast track to blowing your account. Stick to 1 to 2% max. Not adjusting for account size. If your account balance changes, make sure to update it in the calculator. Risk should be based on your current balance, not what you started with. So there you have it. The position size calculator from CashbackForex is an essential tool for every trader who wants to stay disciplined and protect their capital. If you haven't already, click the link in the description below to access the tool. It's completely free and easy to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to LutaMarkets, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our trading tips and tools. As always, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.